Hello children, welcome to the class. I hope you have watched last video, right? And now the next point we are going to discuss in this revision is about the new social and political groups. Before I start this topic, let me recap the last topic that was historians and their sources. And in that topic we discussed about some of 700 to 750 AD, and we also discussed about what are the difficulties that historians face to when they are finding the history or they finding about the help of manuscript. It was so difficult for them to historian to find out all these things. So we discussed all these things in last topic. Now this topic is new social and political group. So in this period 700 to 750 AD, so many new social and political groups were emerged. Now which are the groups are emerged? I am just highlighting you with the help of this new and social political groups. The Rajput, they came from Rajput, Sindh, Oghams and Kasats. Even there are so many Muslim communities, they also come. We are going to study detail wise all topic. With the help of PPT, we will discuss about this, and so many new invention also there was, like wheel, food and beverages. We are going to help with the help of PPT, we will discuss, and you can also come to know the Rajput, and after when you see the Rajput, how they become great ruler in Delhi because of their emerge, and they become so strong. And I think so you had already watched Prithviraj Chauhan video. In that you can understand that how he was strong, and he fight with Muhammad Ghori in last few earlier chapter we were discussed. Right, this is first chapter revision. I am telling you this is a revision, and revision is as per the PPTs. I am showing you PPTs, by that you will understand. And please complete your assignments. And the revision also you have to complete it, and you have to send us on our mails. Right. And one more thing I would like to tell you, that those children had not sent anything, please send your assignments, by that we can put the marks, or your assignments have a mark, so please send it. Okay, now we will connect to PPTs, right? Okay, let us move to our PPTs, that what I made. That is your subtopic is new social and political groups, right? So I was telling you that this lesson, this lesson is totally whole whatever you are going to learn in history, this is your lesson, like this. So this topics means, suppose I am talking about political groups, I told you Rajput and all, so you are going to see the full story of Rajput in other chapter. This is a flashback है समझो. कोई भी मूवी देखने से पहले ट्रेलर देखते ना, ये पूरा लेसन ट्रेलर जैसा हो. ओके, ऐसा है. ओके, तो वी आर गोइंग टू सी दिस न्यू सोशल एंड पॉलिटिकल ग्रुप्स. ओके, इन दैट when I'm talking about political group, it is naturally related to the government. It is naturally related to the government, as well as it is related to the area, or there are some groups. Okay, now not only this group has created, there are so many different things happen in this at the time. Okay, so you can see the Persian wheel picture in this module, right? So what happened here, the study of this period, or you can say the study between 700 to 750 is 1000 year, right? A huge challenge come in front of historians, and they face such challenges. Why they face such challenges? The scale and the variety of development was too much, or you can say the occurrence of the variety of things was so much over this period. That means what they introduced in this period, what invention was made, so they have to find out all these things. Historians have to find out period, because history is nothing but a time, right? So, and the Persian wheel is used for irrigation, the spinning wheel is for weaving, and the firearm of in Kambod, that is also used as a wheel. You can find a kalai walai karte nahi,
पहले ज़माने में से कढ़ाई किए जाती थी, वो राउंड शेप में होता था, ऐसा एक टर 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 उसका आवाज़ आता था, वो वाला उसको बोलते हैं फायर कम्बो, फायर आर्म बोलते हैं उसको. देन न्यू फूड ऑल्सो introduced or and beverages that is arrived in the subcontinent. Now what type of food like potatoes, corn, chilies, tea and coffee. And I know that is potato is a everyone, you love potato, even I too love potato, because there is बोलते ना सब्जियों का राजा है पोटैटो, तो वो सब्जियों का राजा पोटैटो. And corn, chili and tea and coffee, actually these are the, he is telling about subcontinent, but this also you can find where especially in America, first introduced by the America, potatoes and corn, chilies introduced by America. So there are so many new technology of also crops also introduced. They came, not only this thing come and came with so many things, come with the people also, right, along with the people who brought some ideas. When the other people are living in other places, they come with the ideas, different continent, they come with the ideas. And let me tell you, all this thing will come, na disease will also come. Now this pandemic of corona pandemic come from China. The people brought this disease. That not only the ideas and culture will come, but also disease can come. Not only things will come, disease can also come. And when you study the history of I think so 10th standard, there are the American people fight with the chicken pox, and they spread disease to the soldiers and they win the war. So these are the techniques used by this American people or European people to bring the disease. So all these are the ideas also come with it. Okay. Now in some brief we will discuss that the Portuguese and potatoes. Many foreigners settled in the coastal city and the new northwestern border. These foreigners brought along their culture, custom, religion, craft, technology and event. And sericulture came from China. Persian water wheel is come from Persia. Turks brought plums, peas, oranges and lemons. Portuguese brought potatoes, tomatoes and chilies. So this is somewhat extra information I am giving you, that what they brought and how they come, how they develop. So what happened with this? There is something, a result. What happened with this? This is because of this. There in this period the economy has changed, the political also changed, the social change, the cultural change, all changes are happen in this period. And you are going to study this 5 lesson in 5th lesson, 6th lesson and 7th lesson about all regarding all these things. Okay, I am telling you this lesson is just a recap all, or you can say it is a trailer of all the lessons, right? So after that, after this there are so many things also come. We will see further next module. Now let me tell you that this period is have a great mobility. That is the group of the people used to travel from place to place, long distance, for searching opportunity or searching any work like this. And this subcontinent, sometime I also feel we should go in that period only, because nowadays such a condition India facing, I also feel it that we should go in that period only. So the subcontinent was immense wealth, and with the possibilities of people curve for the fortune. That means they are very having immense wealth, full पैसे वाले, एकदम गुड कल्चर के साथ जीते थे उधर के लोग, खाना पीना एकदम बढ़िया. इंडियन सब कॉन्टिनेंट की बात कर रही हूँ मैं. इंडियन सब कॉन्टिनेंट में पाकिस्तान, अफ़गानिस्तान, नेपाल, ये सारे चीज़ें, ये सारे पूरे एशिया आ जाती है नियर बाय. तो one of the group of the people has become so important in this period, that are the Rajputs, right? Rajputs. So Rajput people become so important. We will talk about Rajputs. Then also this how they come and what they had done. Not only Rajput, the Marathas, other groups also came. The Marathas, the Jat, the Sikh, Ohams and Kaisat. right? A caste of this, these are the kaisas are the caste of scribes, those who used to write. बोलते ना, क्या बोलते हो जो लिखते हैं तो बही खाते रखने हैं, उसको कायसा बोलते हैं. So all such opportunity these people also got. We will see. First we talk about Rajput, how they develop, and what they create their valor. How they create the valor. When you see the Prithviraj Chauhan, how they create their valor, we will see, right? Let me focus on some of the Rajput. The Rajput, how this word derive from the term Rajputra, and means the son of ruler. Rajputra मतलब राजा का पुत्र, Rajputra, or people become Rajput. Now belonging to they are belonging for Kshatriya caste. Kshatriyas means you must be knowing there are 4 castes. The Kshatriyas also, that means they are the warriors, including the rulers, the soldiers, the commander and chieftain. All are the warriors. And this Rajput means this is Rajputra. That is why this is called as a name as Rajput. And it from between 8th to 14th century, the term was applied generally to the warriors, that is Kshatriyas, right? So including the rulers, soldiers, commander and chieftain. Many qualities they have. They are the great cleverly, they are courage, they have loyal, they have valor in their fighting, and that is why they was having a very good status, right? और वो अपने आप को बहुत सुपीरियर भी समझते थे राजपूत, क्योंकि उनके जैसा लड़ ही नहीं सकता कोई भी. दे वर करेज इन फाइटिंग, दे वर वेरी लॉयल. वो एकदम बोलते राजपूतों की ज़बान पे भरोसा रखो, एकदम सही ज़बान, पक्के रहेंगे ज़बान के वो लोग, इतने लॉयल रहते हैं वो, राइट? तो यू कैन फाइंड सच थिंग्स in some of the movies, like they are not only the rulers, the chieftains, but also soldiers. All are the part, they serve the army actually. वो अपनी आर्मी की रक्षा करते हैं. they serve the army के soldiers को संभालते हैं. And they having a different monarch in all over subcontinent. In subcontinent they having different monarch means king, okay? And they are extremely valor, and they are having a great loyalty. I told you, right? The other groups I told you about, other group also came, like Jats, you can find Ohams. All these Ohams also, they played very important role. When this lesson will start, I will tell you the story of Ohams. They play very important role in history. So these are the things. This is the revision for you, my dear children. By the PPT you can understand few points. So I made PPT earlier while I was teaching on the board, but this is a revision, so you will understand easily. Okay children, see now what happened throughout this period. I am talking about 1000 years, right, from 700 to 1750. I am talking about that whole period, and this year history belongs to that. So throughout this period there are gradually changes. You can find there are gradually of clearing of forest. The forest was cleared, I think so, right? I think so. No, it is definitely that forest was cleared, and the forest was cleared and extended into the changing due to the agriculture. What happened? Forest cleared and agriculture had came out. So the changes happened because of extension of agriculture. They should do more and more agriculture, right? And what happened by this? Faster and more areas people started working. So they started living. The life of the forest dwellers has changed. Now those who are living in the forest, what will happen to them? What about the habitat? What is meant by habitat? Here is the meaning habitat. Refer to be environment of a region and social and economic lifestyle of its residents. That is called habitat. So those people were living in the forest, वो कहाँ जाएंगे? उनके लिए तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो गया है, राइट? तो क्या हो गया? फॉरेस्ट तो क्लियर हो रहा है, बट व्हाट अबाउट द लाइफ ऑफ द ड्वेलर्स, दोज आर लिविंग इन फॉरेस्ट? सो दे हैव टू चेंज देयर लाइफ, दे हैव टू टर्न इनटू अदर प्लेस. सो दे फोर्सली, forest dwellers have forcefully migrated. They migrated, and others started tilling the land. Other people started tilling the land. What happened? Some were migrated town and city. ये जो बंदे थे लाइफ फॉरेस्ट dwellers, वो सब चले गए गाँव. town cities, and many become peasant, or when those are doing agriculture, so naturally they become a peasants. So they become a peasants. Somewhere here line is, I'm not able to clear it. So many become a peasant. So now why they want to be a peasant? No, when they become peasant, naturally they will pay the more and more taxes, and as they are peasant, they will be having the market, they will be having some of the, what do you call, one of the trading will be going on, right? Now because of this, no, so many people also come. Now which other people had introduced here? They are the specially this new peasant group gradually become an influence of regional market, chieftain, priest, monasteries and temple. They become a part of large complex. They become a part of large complex or society, and paid taxes and tribute to the local rulers. So what happened? Those who are king, no, these peasants, they used to give the taxes to them, to the rulers, as well as somewhat tributes. Last year we studied some of the tributes they used, gift दे देते थे किंग को, और समझो ऐसा 2-4 गेहूँ चावल के बोरे दे देने का, जो भी इसके खेत में निकलता है वो ट्रिब्यूट बनाकर उसको दे देते थे, टैक्स भी देते थे, राइट? So as a result, because of this, the economy has changed. The economy has changed. The social difference emerged among the peasants. Now what happened? ऐसा होने से कुछ peasant गरीब थे, कुछ बहुत पैसे वाले थे, जिन्होंने पूरी लैंड खरीद ली, they become rich. So there is a difference in society, lot of difference. So because of this, they become different, and some people, they are not that much peasants. So what they used to do, they keep the animals. They become a animal they started doing animal husbandry, you can say, right? So they started doing keeping cattle, or they started combining the artisan work. Some are doing artificial work, some are doing agriculture activities during this, or season wise, or sometime anytime they are doing. So as a society become a differentiate, अभी society में बहुत ज़्यादा difference हो गया, कोई अमीर हो गया, कोई गरीब हो गया, और जो गरीब है वो गरीब ही हो जाता है, जो अमीर है वो तो अमीर ही, तो उसको प्लान भी है, ओके। तो इसी तरह से जब सोसाइटी में डिफरेंस है, when society got a difference, and so the people started making into jatis. Now the introducing of new jatis came into existence. See how the jatis came, because people started planting growing this one, cultivating the land, और इसी तरह से all become rich and poor. There is difference in society. इसी तरह से जाति introduce हो गई. So you can find jatis. When the jatis came, or subcaste, or jatis means subcaste, ये caste का वो caste. If suppose a person is an architect, he is a cobbler, so his caste will be cobbler. If the person is cutting the hair, he become a saloon, he have a saloon, so he become barber, like this. So the caste has increased, and caste are depend on the ranks. The caste are depend on the, so subcaste jatis, they grow in their professional goes on growing and growing. The number of subjatis each are called jatis. These jatis consist of the people who were in the same profession. Suppose I told you that if he's a potter, so all potter will be in one jati. That is prominent among the jatis are emerged where the Kaisa and subcaste as or subscribe. I told you that Kaisats are the people who used to write. So they are having also jati and subjati. The Kaisat rose to province, that is provinces, because their record are keeping. They had an important profession, so they are having more prestige because they are keeping the records of every king and all. And the jatis had their own rules and regulations. Their jatis also having old rules and regulation, administration by the elders. Especially they have that some samiti, you can say. They have panchayat samiti or jati panchayat, and in that the elders are giving importance to rule. Right. Beside all these jatis, they had to follow the civil rules of the towns. They have to be come together, and they have only a one state, like, and people are living in that jatis. So I think so you understand what is meant by jatis. There is one question in your textbook, that is, of the technological, economic, social and cultural changes described in this session, which do you where do you think where most of the significant of your town and villages in which you live? So you have to solve this answer, that is in text question. That is your duty, you should solve in your text in your notebook. And this is about jati. Then we'll talk about some little one question we will discuss. Now we'll discuss this question: why was this period of 1000 year between 700 AD to 750 AD termed as a period of economic, political, social, and cultural change? I just now discussed you about, because so many people emerged, right? And we will discuss this. We will discuss this question with the answer also. Right, these children? Now, this period of 700 AD to 750 AD witnesses new technology has come in this period. You can find the Persian wheel in irrigation, spinning wheel of weaving, and firearms of combat, and new food and beverages also arrived from subcontinent like potato, corn, chili, tea, coffee. All these innovations came along with the people who have brought other ideas as well as, so that is why this period is called drastic. You can find economy, social and political and cultural change. Economy means where the people started eating different variety of food, doing trade. When political, people started coming from other continent and living, started ruling. Social and cultural changes like potato was exchanged here, or tea and coffee also exchange. So you can find, and other groups also introduced, they started ruling. Like I told you about Rajput, they started ruling, and afterward Jats rule. Afterward you can find Sikh people also ruled. So area wise they were ruling, right? So this is the answer, or this is the subtopic I was discussing you. I am discussing you. Please go through it, read the textbook and understand the points. I hope you understand this well, because I was talking about PPT always makes a easy to understand for you, and I made, that is why I thought ki last lesson was written on the board. Now you can do with the PPT, right children? So I hope you are doing well. I know I am missing you lot, my dear children. I want to see by teaching the benches, these are not our life, you know. When the day will come, we will meet and we will enjoy our learning and understanding process, right? And we are eagerly waiting for you. Not only me, all teachers are waiting for you. The day will come when you will come to school. Sometime it's used to say keep quiet, but now we want to listen your voice, you, how you are talking, how you be grown up. My eyes are waiting, right? Thank you and God bless you. Next video, next topic, next modules. Okay.